I think we had started with this sum yesterday, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And let me open the Excel sheet also. It is in the folder. Just a minute. Yes. So is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see, uh, last adjustment was pending, I think. See, during the year 2014, depreciation 8,000 and 10,000 on land and building and plant and machinery respectively. This was done. Third adjustment during the year 2014, machinery having a book value of 8,000 sold for rupees 7,500. If you just want a quick revision of whatever we have done yesterday in the adjustments, please see. This was opening balance of land and building. This was closing balance of land and building. And this was the depreciation which is given in adjustment number 1. After closing, we got a balancing figure of 18,000 on the debit side. Common sense, land and building is an asset. So if debit side balance comes means purchases. So to bank account purchases. Leaving opening and closing balance, we have to show the effect of every other item, which is depreciation and purchases. Depreciation goes in non-cash expenses. We have to add it in the operating activity, and purchases is an investing activity because it is purchase. So cash goes out and therefore we need to deduct in the investing activity. Is this clear with land and building? Come on, quickly answer me. Is it clear with the land and building concept?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And now come to plant and machinery. We have done it yesterday. I'm just giving you a quick revision of whatever we have done. This was opening balance. This was closing balance. We have already shown it and it is available in the balance sheet. Okay. The depreciation was there in adjustment number 1. Then in adjustment number 3 too, it said that machinery of 8,000 was sold at rupees 7,500. So machinery sold, that means cash comes in by bank account, sales bracket may, and then we have written 7,500, the selling price. Actually, it was of 8,000, but we sold it for 7,500. So loss occurs here. Therefore, loss is to be debited. Okay, nominal account says debit all expenses and losses. Therefore, by P&L account, loss on sale. How much was the loss? 8,000 minus, if you want, 8,000 minus 7,500. So this is how our loss appears. 500. So if you want, you can make a bracket. Kahin aas-paas, if you have some space, you can make a bracket. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now we will close because no other adjustment is given apart from this. So we will close now. Now what is our, casting figure? The heavy side is credit side. So we will write this 1,18,000 on both the sides. And then we will deduct it from 40,000, which was opening balance. We will get a balancing figure on the debit side. So a balancing figure on the debit side for plant and machinery means purchase. So to bank account purchases 78,000. Is it clear with everybody?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now leaving
Yes,
opening.
ma'am.
Okay, very good. Leaving opening and closing balance, we need to show all other effects in the cash flow statement. Depreciation, non-cash expenses, add. Sales, investing activity, add because cash comes in. Loss, non-operating expenses, operating activity में, second statement. Non-operating expenses, and because it is an expense, we will add it. You have already added it. Purchases, investing activity less because while purchases, cash goes out.
Out.
Yes, cash outflow. Very good. Okay. So all other expenses are, all other transactions are to be shown in the cash flow statement except opening and closing balance. Okay. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now second adjustment. Interim dividend of 7,500 was paid during the year 2014. Now please remember, yesterday also I told you that whenever dividend is paid, it is about the company I'm talking. I'm talking about a company. Whenever company pays the dividend, it has to propose first. Always remember. If the company is not proposing the dividend, how will company pay? So first, if dividend comes, any type of dividend, interim dividend, final dividend, any type of dividend, first it is proposed and then it is paid. But in the adjustment, it is stated that it was paid. So it is only about paid that has been given in the question. So what about proposed? How much proposed? How much the amount the company must have proposed? Same 7,000. Yeah,
7,500.
yeah, same common sense. If they are disclosing proposed was 8,000 but paid is 7,500, that is another matter. That is okay. If they have mentioned it, so go according to them. But if they have not mentioned, then what is paid is same as proposed. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure. Is it clear to everyone? Should I repeat once again? Come on, quickly answer me. Yes or no? Should I repeat?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Should I repeat? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, 7,500 is paid. They have mentioned that it is paid. But where is proposed then? So common sense, if you are going to propose, only then you are going to pay. Suppose you have not proposed the dividend. How will you pay? This is the rule of company. First, dividend has to be proposed and then it is to be paid to the shareholders. Is that much clear, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now in the question, there must be two things, proposed and paid. I'm talking about interim dividend second adjustment, of which no item is related in the balance sheet. बैलेंस शीट में आपको इंटरम डिविडेंड जैसा कोई आइटम नहीं दिखेगा. इसको बोलते हैं सेल्फ एडजस्टमेंट. मतलब इसके सेल्फ दो इफेक्ट्स हम खुद ही दिखाएंगे. इसका ऊपर बैलेंस शीट से लेना देना नहीं है. No item is given in the balance sheet related to interim dividend. Therefore, this adjustment has two effects, but we will show the two effects by our own self only. We will not look at the balance sheet and try to search opening and closing balance as we did with adjustment number 1 and 3. We will not do that. Don't worry. Self two effects. Self. No ledger account is needed because balance sheet में opening and closing balance है ही नहीं. Balance sheet में there is no opening and closing balance available for interim dividend. Therefore, ledger account is not suitable for second number adjustment. Is that much clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now in the adjustment, he says 7,500 was paid. So where is proposed? 7,500 only. Same. Suppose now in the question he says 8,000 was proposed and 7,500 is paid. That is a different matter. You have to go according to what they say. But now for proposed, there is no, they have not mentioned anything about the amount which is proposed. So which amount has to be taken? 7,500 only. Did you get this much now?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody say yes or no. Everybody, I want to hear it from everyone. Come
Yes,
on.
ma'am.
Yes, very good. Yes, very good, very good. What about boys in the class? We don't have boys? Girls majority? Hmm? Come on, boys. Did you understand this much? Shafiq, Ravi,
यस मैम.
yes, समझ रहा है कि नहीं बच्चा?
समझ रहे हैं.
समझ रहा है
Yes, ma'am.
पक्का? Okay, good. Shubham is not there in the class? शुभम
नो मैम, आज तो कुछ तो ना काम था, इसके लिए नहीं आ पाया
अच्छा, तो
नेटवर्क।
अनु बच्चा अटेंडेंस कौन ले रहा है? आप ही ले रही हो ना?
हाँ मैम, मैंने पोस्ट किया अभी वाले लेक्चर का।
नो प्रॉब्लम। शिवम, शिवम समझ में आ रहा है? क्लास में उस दिन भी नहीं था।
यस मैम।
हाँ,
एक्चुअली मैम वो नेटवर्क इश्यू की वजह से माइक म्यूट नहीं हो रहा था,
तो
अनम्यूट नहीं हो
बच्चा
रहा था।
चैट बॉक्स में लिखने का ना कि नहीं
ओके
सुनाई
मैम।
दे रहा है, म्यूट नहीं हो रहा है, या माइक खराब है. You should write it in the chat box so that I can understand you are there in the lecture. सिर्फ मोबाइल चालू करके रखने का नहीं. You need to answer me बच्चा. अभी म्यूट करके बोलोगे तो सॉरी अनम्यूट करके बोलेंगे तो ज्यादा अच्छा. अगर माइक का कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, नेटवर्क इशू है, तो चैट बॉक्स में लिखने का. ओके शिवम?
यस मैम, सॉरी मैम।
हाँ, कोई बात नहीं, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. और कौन है? देखो बॉयज का अटेंडेंस कितना कम है, बस 4-5 बॉयज है क्लास में. चलो, समझ में आ रहा है सबको? आगे बढ़े.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, तो अब देखो, नाउ वी हैव टू इफेक्ट्स. नो, वी नीड टू शो two effects of second adjustment. What two effects? First is dividend paid and second is dividend proposed. First is dividend paid and second is proposed dividend. So tell me where dividend paid will go. A operating activity, investing activity, financing activity. Where this dividend paid will go? Come on, there is a logic here. You cannot be somebody is speaking but I'm not able to hear. Priya बच्चा मेरे को नहीं
Financing
समझ.
activity.
Very good, very good. I think Priya was also saying the same. I just hope, but then मुझे आवाज ठीक से नहीं सुनाई दे रही थी. Very good. Financing activity. Dividend paid. याद रखो dividend pay कब करते हैं? When there are shareholders in the company. So to shareholders, we need to pay dividend. So paying the dividend is financing activity. Go to financing activity. Come to page number 1. Go to financing activity and write down interim dividend paid. Now tell me, what is interim dividend paid? Cash inflow or cash outflow?
Cash outflow.
Cash outflow means add or less.
Less.
Less. So you will write less interim dividend paid. It is highlighted in the screen. Look at the screen. It is highlighted on that. Okay, so 7,500 will come from adjustment number 2 bracket. Please put this 7,500 in the bracket because less. Okay, now tell me the second effect of the interim dividend paid is proposed dividend. So tell me where proposed dividend will go.
Non-cash.
Very good, very good. Who answered me?
Ma'am,
Anu, very good. Anu.
Non-cash.
Very good Priya, Anu, very good. Good job. एक बार में आपने फटाक से आंसर दे दिया. प्रपोज्ड डिविडेंड, प्लीज ध्यान से सुनिए. प्रपोज्ड डिविडेंड, प्रपोज्ड का मतलब होता है अभी तक कैश में खर्चा हुआ नहीं है. इसके लिए प्रपोज्ड डिविडेंड नॉन कैश आइटम होता है, नॉन कैश एक्सपेंस होता है. क्योंकि ये नॉन कैश एक्सपेंस है तो क्या होगा? ऐड होगा कि लेस होगा ऑपरेटिंग में?
Add होगा
Add होगा.
Very good. तो लिखिए add proposed interim dividend 7,500. ऐड होगा, इसीलिए ब्रैकेट की जरूरत नहीं है. एंड वी आर डन विद द क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन में ऐसी कोई भी चीज नहीं है जो रह गई है. ठीक है, आगे बढ़े. क्लोज करें अकाउंट को सारे.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now please keep it in mind whenever you want to close. There are two statements. This is ledger. This is done. Don't come again to this page. Ledger का पेज मुझे अभी नहीं चाहिए. I need to come to
Operating
yes,
activity.
operating and main statement. I need to close first operating statement. Only then I will be able to close this main statement. Why? Because I need this amount operating statement from net cash from operating activity. Until and unless I get this amount, how will I close? Do you understand? So first thing what I need is cash from operating activity, the final answer. So come on, very quickly. This 35,000, is it there in your notebook? In the outer column?
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
leave it as it is. Don't do anything to 35,000. Leave it as it is. Now what you have to do from this 30,000, you have 30,000 in the outer column here.
Yes, ma'am.
From this 30,000 till 7,500, the one which I have highlighted in the screen, add them all. Come on, quickly. I'm giving you 1 second for it. I mean, sorry, 1 minute for it. Come on, quickly.
1,11,000.
1,11,000.
Yes, very good, very good, very good speed. 1,11,000, come in the outer column and write there. Come in the outer column and write there 11, just as you see on the screen. Okay, now again you have some amounts related to adjustment of working capital. So minus 11,000 से लेकर 2,000 तक. Can you see all the figures which are given in the inner column?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please add them all. Please add them all. Now, Ruko, wait. This is 11,000 minus. So open your bracket, I will tell you. Bring it to 0. Let me also open the calculator. Okay. Now, what I do is you have to follow. What I say is you have to follow. First figure is 11,000. It is not 11,000. It is minus 11,000. So what you have to do, bring calci to the zero mode. आ गया जीरो मोड पे आ गया कैल्सी.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, अब क्या करोगे आप 11,000 कैल्सी में प्रेस करो. 11,000 प्रेस किया सबने.
Yes, ma'am.
अब आपको लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में एक साइन दिखेगा, बटन दिखेगा जिसमें प्लस और माइनस की साइन है.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, उसको प्रेस करो तो आप 11,000 के आगे माइनस की साइन देख पा रहे हो कैल्सी की स्क्रीन पे.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Can you see minus sign just before the 11,000 on the calculator screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So it has become minus 11,000. Now what you have to do, the next is minus 24,000. Now right hand side में minus की sign है, right hand side में calculator के.
Yes, ma'am.
सिर्फ माइनस की साइन, सिर्फ. बस अभी करते जाओ, माइनस प्लस जो बोलता है वो. अभी माइनस 24 है तो करो माइनस 24,000. अभी करो माइनस 11,000. कर रहे हैं सारे, कर रहे हैं ना. हाँ, अभी करेंगे माइनस 8,000. अब करेंगे माइनस 4,000. अब
Yes,
करेंगे प्लस 2,000. प्लीज बी वेरी केयरफुल. प्लस 2,000. तो क्या
Ma'am,
आया?
answer is
Minus
minus
56,000.
Very good. Minus 56,000. So write it in the bracket. Don't give minus का साइन. हाँ, यहाँ पे मेरा ब्रैकेट है ना, एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर रहा है तो इसीलिए मैंने माइनस की साइन दी हुई है. You have to give minus, bracket 56,000. Now wait. After that, less tax paid. Always remember. After that, we have less tax paid. Is it nil? Is it
Yes,
nil?
ma'am.
We have already
Yes, ma'am.
written that. We have already written that nil.
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Yes.
what you have to do, right from the beginning in the outer column. Look at just outer column. Don't look at inner column now. Inner column is gone. Now just look at outer column. 35,000 plus 1,11,000 minus 56,000. So your final answer will be
90,000.
90,000.
this 90,000 is positive or negative?
Positive.
Therefore,
Positive.
what
Generated.
what- yes, otherwise it was, if it was in the negative answer, what would you have? Yes, what would you have
Used.
written? You have written
From.
yes, net cash used, but right now it is positive answer, so you will write net cash generated from operating activity. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
This is how you have to write. Net cash generated from operating activity, 90,000 in the outer column. Now come to the sheet number 1, page number 1. Come to page number 1. Do you have a heading which is cash from operating activity?
Yes, ma'am.
And below that you have 2 lines. Below that, I told you to leave 2 lines. Have you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So first line you have to write net cash generated from operating activity, 90,000 in the outer column. 90,000 in the outer column. Is it clear now? Shall we
Yes,
move?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we move further?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So leave this line blank only because we need space. No, otherwise it will look very, messy. Therefore, this single line has to be, left blank so that the presentation looks good. Okay. So now we have cash from investing activity. Okay. We have three different items. Minus 18,000 plus 7,500 minus 78,000. So take up your calci, bring it to the zero mode, press 18,000 in the calculator, and left hand side again you have a plus and minus ka sign button. Press that button and look at the screen. Minus 18,000. Is it there on the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
I mean
ma'am.
calculator screen. Now the next step is plus 7,500. So plus ka button and then 7,500. And then minus 78,000. Please
Answer
remember
is-
it is minus 78,000. Be very careful. So what is your answer?
Minus 88,500.
Very good. So minus 88,500, but you don't have to use the symbol of minus. Rather, please put it into bracket. Write down bracket 88,500 in the outer column. Next line, because the heading will be taken as net cash. Come on, tell me, used or generated?
Used.
Very good. The net cash used from investing activity. Net cash used from investing activity. So minus 88,500. Now, come to financing activity. There are 3 amounts. 1 lakh, put it in the bracket 1 lakh, then minus 1 lakh. So simply minus 1 lakh and minus 7,500. So what is your outer column?
Minus 7,500.
Please don't put it minus ka symbol, rather put it into bracket. So next line, next new line, outer column 7,500 bracket, and the heading will be, come on, tell me, used or generated?
Used.
So what will be the statement? Net cash, come on, tell me quickly.
Net cash used from financial activity.
Very good, very good, very good. Okay, so now you have 3 different amounts. Net cash generated from operating. Second, net cash used from investing. And third, net cash used from financing. Look at the outer column. You have 3 amounts. Add all of them. Add all of them. Come on, quickly. I don't know why is it again.
Minus 6,000.
6,000.
Very good, very good. So it is minus 6,000. So it is minus 6,000. Yes. So you have to write bracket 6,000 outer column. And the statement that you will write here, minus 6. So tell me, it is decrease in cash or increase in cash?
Decrease in cash.
So you will write net decrease in cash. Write down net decrease in cash. And after that, last heading, add opening cash balance. Net decrease in cash ke bilkul niche, below that, you have to write add opening cash balance. So what is your opening cash balance? Look at the question. Look at the question. Cash balance is always on.
10,000.
Very good. This 10,000. Very good. Only one cash balance is there. Please remember, cash balance has 4 parts. Cash balance, bank OD, short-term investment. But in this question, we don't have bank balance. We don't have short-term investment. We don't have bank OD also. So what do we have? Only one, cash in hand. So come to the statement, write down, underline this word, opening cash balance, underline it. Come to the next line, cash in hand. Write down cash in hand, outer column 10,000. Only single amount, then directly outer column. If there are 2-3 amounts, then you have to keep it in the inner column first, add them all, and then bring it to the outer column, the total. Bring the total in the outer column. But now, because we have only one single amount, cash in hand 10,000, therefore directly in the outer column. So tell me now, minus 6,000 plus 10,000. How much is the closing balance?
4,000.
4,000.
And it should match with the closing balance of cash here in the question. Is it matches?
4,000. Yes, ma'am.
I mean, does
Yes,
it
ma'am.
match?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, 4,000. So see, our answer is also 4,000. In the question, closing cash balance is also 4,000. So that means you do not need to ask anybody else whether my answer is right or wrong. The question itself, which will be given in the question paper, will tell you whether you are going right or somewhere if you are wrong. That also you will be able to understand. Is that very clear? Cash flow, I feel cash flow
Yes,
statement chapter is very, very interesting. This is what I feel. I don't know about you. Maybe after completing all the sums, you will feel the chapter is very interesting. Okay, so shall we begin with the next question very quickly?
Yes.
Okay, so 5.11. This is what is the question I want to begin with the next one. See, the summarized balance sheet of PQR Limited as on 31st March 2014. Sorry, 8 minutes. This 4,000 has to be written as closing cash balance. And the sum is over. This 4,000 ka heading is closing cash balance. Okay, are you done with this question? Shall we begin with the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, before that, you draw the lines. Come on, quickly. Same statement, same like this. Let me search if I have 5.11 also. Yes, I have it. See? One minute. This is 5.11, correct. Come on. First statement, cash flow statement for the year end date 2014 and 15. How do I come to know 14 and 15? It is written here, see? 31st March 2014 and 31st March 2015. Have you written the heading?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, draw the columns, particulars, inner column and outer column. 3 headings, cash from operating, cash from investing, cash from financing. Quickly write down cash from operating first and leave 2 lines, 2 blank lines. Second, cash from investing, leave 6 to 8 lines. I know here, because it is already done, so therefore you are able to understand only 3 transactions are there. But before even starting the solution, how will you be able to know how much transactions will be there? So safer side, it should be 7 to 9 lines for investing activity. Next is cash from financing activity. For this rest of the page, don't write anything below cash from financing. Just remember cash from investing needs 7 to 9 lines. Okay. Come to the next page. Come to a fresh next page. Write down cash statement of cash from operating activity. Statement of cash from operating activity. Come on, quickly, ho gaya.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Draw 3 columns, particulars, amount, and then 3 headings. Net profit as per P&L account. Next, treat non-cash and non-operating items, and leave 9 to 10 lines. Write down adjust working capital requirement. 9 to 10 lines for treat non-cash and non-operating items. And then last line will be, last heading will be adjust working capital. Leave few lines for that. Come to the second last or third last line, write down less tax paid. Remember, it is third last line, maybe second last line, wherever you want. Write down less tax paid. And then answer will be maybe used or maybe generated. We will write it at the, conclusion part. When we will know what is the answer, negative or positive, only then we can write, no, used or generated. So meanwhile, you don't have to write down this heading. We will write it at the last moment. I mean, last moment means when we will come here at the end of sheet 2. Okay. Is it clear, everybody? Should we begin with the question now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. The summarized balance sheet 5.11. The summarized balance sheet of PQR Limited as on 31st March 2014 and 31st March 2015 are given below. So you have a balance sheet here and you have 2 years ka balance sheet available, 14 and 15. So, and you have a few adjustment. Look, just look at all the items which are given in the liability side and look at all the items which are given in the asset side. This is very simple and small problem. We can do it in this lecture only. How many adjustments are there? 4. Investment costing rupees 8,000 were sold during the year 2015 for 8,500. Okay, so we will require an ledger account. Why? Because investment is given in the adjustment and the investment is also given in the balance sheet. So opening and closing balance is there, no? Whenever opening and closing balance is there and whenever adjustment is there, we will make ledger account. Do you understand when we have to make the ledger account?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next. Provision for taxation made during the year was 9,000. Is it given in the adjustment, provision for taxation?
Yes, ma'am. It is there.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
is it there in the balance sheet also on the liability side?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
will we require a ledger account for that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, because opening and closing balances are there and adjustment is also there. So we will require a ledger account. Means 2 ledger accounts as of now. Third, during a year, part of fixed asset costing rupees 10,000 was sold for rupees 12,000. And the profit, because 10,000 की चीज आपने 12,000 में बेचा, sell किया. So the profit, because profit हुआ ना, there is a profit. So profit was included in P&L account. I know that profit is always included in P&L account only, no? Therefore, in the last sum, we wrote by profit and loss account 500 bracket loss on sale. So whenever there is profit, we have to show it through P&L account only. Okay. Next is dividend paid during the year. So fixed assets ka ledger banega, given in the adjustment and given in the balance sheet also. Will we require a ledger account?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Yes,
3
ma'am.
ledger accounts as of now. 3 ledger accounts as of now. Last, dividend paid during the year amounted to rupees 40,000. Dividend paid. Paid is given. I don't know about proposed. Okay, any which ways, we have to first check for dividend paid. Is there any item related in the balance sheet? Dividend, common sense. You have to look on the liability side only. Because
No,
dividend
ma'am.
means
It
liability.
is not there.
It is
No,
not
ma'am.
there. So will we require a ledger account, separate ledger account for dividend?
No, ma'am.
No,
No,
self
ma'am.
to adjustments. Self to adjustments. So paid is 40,000. So how much will be proposed?
40,000.
40,000 only.
40,000.
40,000 only, same. Okay, you are required to prepare cash flow statement as per accounting standard 3, AS3, AS3, accounting standard 3. Okay, so if in MCQs, if you have been asked that cash flow statement is as per dash, and few options are given: accounting standard 3, accounting standard 11, accounting standard 9. So which option you will choose? Accounting standard
3.
3. An MCQ can be asked related to what is the full form of AS. So you need to answer accounting
Accounting standard.
standards. This can also be asked. Okay, these simple questions can also be asked, wherein you don't focus on such things, no, but you should focus on each and everything which is read, which is written in the lecture. Okay, which is being taught in the lecture, every single and minute thing. So let us quickly begin now. Look at the question. The first item is share capital. What is share capital in the year 2014?
4,50,000.
And what is share capital in 2015?
4,50,000.
Is there any change? Has it increased or decreased?
No.
No increased means no issue. No decreased means no redemption. No issue, no redemption, no effect. कुछ हुआ ही नहीं ना. कैश बढ़ी, कैश कम हुई, कैश जा रही है, कैश आ रही है. Something happening here. Cash comes in, cash goes out.
No, ma'am.
No effect on cash. Why? Because share capital has not changed. No issue, no redemption, nothing. So no financing activity. As of now, share capital. I'm talking about share capital. Let me come to now. There is no effect. When there is no change, no effect. No effect in the cash flow statement. Now, general reserve. 3 lakh se 310 ho gaya. Has it increased or decreased?
Increase.
Is transfer to reserve. Transfer to GR. Transfer to general reserve. So transfer to general reserve is which activity?
Non-cash
Non-
activity.
Very good. Operating
Non-
activity, non-cash.
Cash.
Operating activity, non-cash. So let us quickly begin with the general reserve only. This is the first item that we are showing on our statement. So come to sheet number 2, means page number 2. Second statement, cash from operating activity. In that you have already written a heading: treat non-cash and non-operating items or non-trade items. It is one and the same thing. So in that, first item will be transfer to GR. Now tell me, transfer to GR is non-cash expense or non-cash income?
Ma'am, non-cash expense.
Non-cash tax.
Non-cash expenses are there. Non-cash income is not there only. No such item is related to non-cash income. There is never a term which is related to non-cash income. Non-cash income जैसी कोई चीज होती ही नहीं है. It does not exist. If you are talking about non-cash, means it has to be non-cash expenses. And if it is an expense, we will add it. Here, I'm talking about here. Okay, I'm not talking about investing and financing. I'm talking about treat non-cash and non-operating items wala heading. Here, expenses are added and incomes are deducted. Transfer to GR is non-cash expense. Come on, tell me, add or less?
Add.
Write down, add transfer to GR. And what is the difference between both the amounts? 3 lakhs minus
10,000.
310.
10,000.
So you will write it in the inner column 10,000. Next item, profit and loss account. 56,000 minus 68,000. Has the profit increased or decreased?
Increase.
Increased. Very good. So how much it is increased?
12,000.
Very good. So it is net profit, not net loss. So remember, operating account ka first heading, net profit as per P&L account. Write down 12,000 in the outer column. Write down 12,000 in the outer column. Yeah, have you written this 12,000 in the outer column, net profit as per P&L account?
Yes, ma'am. That.
Okay. Now, next is creditors. How much is the creditor? 168. And in the 2015 year, 134. Has it increased or decreased?
Ma'am, decreased.
Decrease in creditors has an inverse relation with cash. Sorry, direct relationship with
Direct.
cash. So tell me, decrease in creditors will be added or deducted?
Deducted.
Deducted. From where? Which activity? Operating, investing, financing?
Adjust
Ma'am,
working capital.
Adjust working
Very
capital.
good, very good, very good. So it will go in operating. Come to the sheet, come to page number 2 and go in adjustment of working capital. Adjustment of working capital. In that heading, I mean below that heading, you have to write less decrease in creditors. Inverse, sorry, direct relation. No, direct means if creditors are decreasing, cash will also decrease. Because cash is decreasing, therefore less. So how will you write? Less decrease in creditors. How much is the decrement?
34,000.
Yes, the difference between 1,68,000 and 1,34,000. That is 34,000. But what 34,000, dear? Bracket 34,000. Have you put the bracket?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Yes.
Very good. Okay. Now next is provision for tax. I feel provision for tax has an adjustment. So anything which is related to adjustment, we will do it at last. Next is mortgage loan. So provision for tax is to be kept on hold. Okay. If no adjustment was there, I told you yesterday, if provision for tax has no adjustment, then last year paid, current year provision. Remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Last year paid, current year provision. But now adjustment is given. Therefore, you will have to do it according to the adjustment. So we will have to keep it on hold. All other items without adjustments are to be done first. Next, mortgage loan. We don't have any adjustment, so we can do it. Mortgage loan. Loan means loan, the bank loan. Mortgage means something has to be kept with the bank against that loan. So suppose if you have a land and building or your house property, so anything which is there, which you own, has to be kept with the bank if you want to take a loan. So that is mortgage. गिरवी बोलते हैं ना, हिंदी में गिरवी रखवाया है. Do you understand? Come on, quickly, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So loan in the 2014 was not there, but loan in 15 it is there. So 0 minus 2,70,000, answer is 2,70,000, I know. But you have to think, loan. Now see, loan are of two types, loan given and loan taken. Please listen very, very carefully. I will explain only once. Only one time I will explain. Mortgage loan on the liability side means loan taken. Please remember, loan, if it is given on the liability side, it is loan taken. Means financing activity. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Write
ma'am.
it. Write it down somewhere. Keep a note. Keep a note of whatever I say. Write down. Loan on the liability side is known as loan taken. Loan on the liability side is loan taken, which is financing activity. Which is financing activity. Now, loan on the asset side. Loan on the asset side means loan given. Write down loan on the asset side, or you can write it this way. Whereas loan on the asset side is loan, come on, given. Given, very good. Loan given, and it is related to which activity?
Investing.
Write it down, write it down. It is investing activity.
Investing.
Very good. Now, let me come to this loan, mortgage loan. Now, पहले नहीं था, अभी है. आप logically सोचिए. देखो, जो फाइनेंसिंग एक्टिविटी में लोन होता है ना, उसकी भी दो चीजें हो सकती हैं, या तो लोन टेकन या तो लोन रीपेड, ऐसे भी तो हो सकता है ना, क्योंकि अगर हम लोन ले रहे हैं, इफ वी आर टेकिंग लोन फ्रॉम द बैंक, someday we will have to pay them also, no? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So if loan on the liability side is there, it will definitely go to financing activity. That is assured. It will definitely go to financing activity, but we have to think. If it is increasing, then loan taken. If it is decreasing, then loan repaid. Repaid. वापस उनको बैंक का लोन मैंने पे कर दिया. If it is decreasing, but if it is increasing, then loan taken from the bank. So tell me now, it is increasing or decreasing?
Ma'am, repeat.
Repeat. I will repeat. If the loan is increasing, common sense, there was no loan in 2014, but in 2015, 2,70,000 loan is there. That means you did not take any loan in 2014 and you have taken loan in 2015. It is increasing, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It is increasing. That means you have taken a loan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you have taken a loan, right? Okay. Now, if it is decreasing, suppose you have here 5 lakhs rupees. In 2014, suppose you have 5 lakhs rupees. And in 2015, suppose you have 3 lakhs rupees. So out of 5, it becomes 3. It is decreasing. That means common sense. 2 lakhs is repaid to the bank. No. Out of 5 lakhs ka loan, in 2015, it is only now 3 lakhs. So out of 5 lakhs, only 3 lakhs is there now. That means 2 lakhs must have been paid by the company. Yes or no? Now did you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So loan increasing, see, definitely if the loan is on the liability side, it will go to the financing activity. There is no question of which activity. It will go to financing activity only. So फाइनेंसिंग एक्टिविटी में जाएगा, ये तो पक्का है. अच्छा, डिक्रीज होगा तो लोन रीपेड, इंक्रीज होगा तो लोन टेकन. अभी समझ में आया सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
अभी
ma'am.
इंक्रीज हो रहा है कि डिक्रीज हो रहा है?
Increase.
इंक्रीज हो रहा है. तो आप मुझे बताइए, लोन टेकन है कि लोन रीपेड है?
Loan
Taken.
taken है.
लोन टेकन है.
Taken है.
जाइए फाइनेंसिंग एक्टिविटी में, जाइए फाइनेंसिंग एक्टिविटी में, लिखिए. अच्छा बताओ, ऐड होगा कि लेस होगा? लोन टेकन के टाइम पे पैसे आ रहे हैं कि जा रहे हैं?
आ रहे
आ
आ
रहे
रहे
हैं.
हैं. वेरी
आ रहे
गुड, आ रहे हैं. So add loan taken in the financing activity, and difference between both the amounts, 0 minus 2,70,000 is how much?
2,70,000.
70,000.
2,70,000 plus 2,70,000 plus. Next, mortgage loan is done. Come to fixed assets. We have an adjustment related to fixed asset. Leave it for some time. We will do it at last. Investment also has an adjustment. So leave it for some time. We will do it at last. Now come to stock. How much is stock? 2,40,000. And how much is in next year? 2,10,000. Is it increasing or decreasing?
Decreasing.
Decreasing.
Decrease in stock. Which activity?
Adjustment.
working capital.
Operating activity, adjustment of working capital. So go to page number 2, sheet number 2, come to adjustment of working capital. There you have to write decrease in closing stock. But before that, you need to write add or less. So you tell me, closing stock is my current asset. So current asset has inverse or direct relation?
Inverse.
Inverse
Inverse. So
relation.
decrease in stock will be added or deducted?
Added.
Added. Ulta, inverse, opposite. So if it is decreasing, cash will increase. Because cash is increasing, therefore added. So write down, add decrease in stock. What is the difference between the two amounts?
30,000.
Plus 30,000. Okay. Next, debtors. How much is the debtor in the first year? 2,10,000. How much is in the next year? 4,55,000. So is it increasing or decreasing?
Increasing.
Increasing.
So where it will go?
Adjust working capital.
Adjust working capital. Write down increase in debtors. But what will you do? Inverse or direct?
Direct.
Inverse.
Inverse, not direct, dear. Direct relation with current liabilities. Inverse relation with current assets.
Asset.
Debtor is my current asset. So opposite करना पड़ेगा. Increase in debtors means less. Write down less increase in debtors. What is the difference between the two?
2,45,000.
2,45,000.
But you have to write it in the bracket. 2,45,000 in the bracket. Guys, please keep it on hold. I have got an urgent call. Just 2 minutes. Keep it on hold. Yes, thank you for keeping on hold. So what is our next point? Where we were, increase in debtors means less, okay? And 2,45,000 in the bracket. What was the next point? Bank. So what has to be done with bank? Can anybody tell me? Come on, quickly. Bank.
मैम ओपनिंग वाले में आएगा वो
Very good. बिल्कुल last में.
क्लोज
Very,
करते हैं.
very good, very good, very good. I think Anu has answered, no?
यस मैम.
वेरी गुड अनु. बच्चा आप एक ही सम में सीख गए. देखो, जब हम कैश, बैंक, बैंक ओडी, शॉर्ट टर्म इन्वेस्टमेंट, ये 4 चीजें कभी भी देखे ना, तो मतलब बिल्कुल सम के एंड में. देखो मैंने हाईलाइट किया, ऐड ओपनिंग कैश बैलेंस एंड क्लोजिंग कैश बैलेंस. अच्छा, बाय द वे, अभी तो सम हमने शुरू भी नहीं किया होता तो भी मुझे आंसर पता है. फाइनल में आंसर कितना आना चाहिए मेरा? फाइनल आंसर क्लोजिंग कैश बैलेंस
1,97,750.
Very beautiful answer. Very beautiful answer. 1,97,000 should be our answer. कैसे भी करके मुझे 1,97,000 लाना है, नहीं तो सम में मेरे सॉल्यूशन में गड़बड़ है. ओके, तो वो गड़बड़ अवॉइड करने के लिए मुझे सम को बड़े ध्यान से करना है. अच्छा, बैंक अभी ओपनिंग एंड क्लोजिंग कैश बैलेंस में कहाँ यूज करूंगी? बिल्कुल लास्ट में. कीप इट ऑन होल्ड. नाउ कम टू एडजस्टमेंट्स. 3 लेजर अकाउंट्स हमने डिसाइड किए थे बनाएंगे. 4th डिविडेंड का कोई लेजर नहीं बनेगा. सो कम टू 3rd पेज एंड ड्रॉ 3 लेजर्स. लिखो ऊपर से इन्वेस्टमेंट अकाउंट. पहले इन्वेस्टमेंट बनाओ, फिर प्रोविजन फॉर टैक्स बनाओ, फिर फिक्स्ड एसेट का अकाउंट बनाइए. इन्वेस्टमेंट अकाउंट, पर्टिकुलर्स अमाउंट. इसके लिए मुझे चाहिए 7 to 9 लाइंस. 7 to 9 लाइंस. छोड़ दीजिए 7 to 9 लाइंस. नेक्स्ट हेडिंग लिखिए प्रोविजन फॉर टैक्स. प्रोविजन फॉर टैक्स अकाउंट. अगेन पर्टिकुलर्स अमाउंट. Again leave 7 to 8 lines. And last account will be fixed assets account. Fixed assets account. Again, particulars amount. Don't draw lines now. You can draw it later on. Just write it, particulars amount, और अंदाजे से आप amounts को लिख देना. ठीक है? Shall we begin? I
Yes,
don't want to
ma'am.
leave this sum incomplete. Today only I will have to complete it. Anyways, we have half an hour's time. Shall we begin with the adjustments?
Yes, ma'am.
See, investment costing rupees 8,000 were sold for rupees 8,500. Very simple. Yesterday only we have done for fixed assets. Similarly, we have to do it for investment also. Investment is our asset. So opening balance will be shown on the debit side. Where is the opening balance? In the balance sheet. 50,000 and closing balance is 60,000. So where this 50,000 will go? Opening balance on the debit side, because it is
Debit side.
yes. Write down 2 balance carried down 50,000. Look at the screen, you will come to know. See, this is my 2 balance carried down 50,000. This is opening balance. Now come to the credit side. Leave 4 lines and write down buy balance brought down. Closing balance. So what is the closing balance of investment in the balance sheet?
60,000.
60,000. Now, what is the adjustment? Only one adjustment, very simple adjustment. Investment की cost कितनी थी? 88,000. But what amount we sold it for in the market?
8,500.
Means profit. Okay, but we before the profit we need to show the selling price 80,000, sorry, 8,500. We have sold it. Sold it means cash comes in. So by bank account bracket sales. Write down. On the credit side, you have 4 lines below, sorry, above the closing balance. So the lines above the closing balance will be used for the adjustments. Write down by bank account bracket sales. Amount 8,500. See, you have sold it for 8,500. But actually its cost was? It's
8,000.
very good, 8,000. So is there profit or loss?
Profit.
Profit of 500.
Profit means
Debit side.
debit
Debit
side
side.
to P&L account. Very good. Bracket profit on sale. See how simple it is. Yesterday we have done it related to fixed asset. And now it is investment, but transactions will be same. No, only the name is different. Investment. To P&L account, debit side. To P&L account, bracket profit on sale. And how much is the profit?
500.
500. Very good. Very good. So I think now we can close because no other adjustment is there apart from this first one. So investment account, I think we can close. Which is the heavier side?
Credit side.
Credit side.
Tell me the casting figure.
68,500.
Yeah, do it. I mean, write it on the debit side also. And 68,500. From 68,500, you have to deduct 50,000, which is on the debit side, and 500, which is also on the debit side. So you will get a balancing figure. Tell me the balancing figure is?
18,000.
Very good, 18,000. So because investment is our asset and assets have a debit balance means it is purchased. If assets have a debit balance means it is purchases. Come on, write it. To bank account. Purchase means cash goes out. Write down to bank account bracket purchase 18,000. To bank account bracket purchase 18,000. So leaving opening and closing balance, all other effects will be shown in the cash flow statement. So come on quickly. The first effect is sales. Where it will go? Sales of investment.
Investing activity.
Go to investing activity means page number 1. Statement number 1. Write down sales of investment. Tell me add or less, cash comes in, cash
Add.
goes out.
Add.
Cash
Ah.
comes in.
Comes in.
Very good, very good. Cash comes in, therefore add sales of investment. You will come to know from the ledger. What is the amount of sales of investment from the ledger?
8,500.
Very good. So write it in the inner column 8,500. Plus, okay, plus. It is plus. So don't put any bracket. Next, profit on sale of investment. Profit on sale of investment. Which activity?
Operating.
Very good. Who answered?
Shabnam.
Who answered? Shabnam. Very good. Operating activity. Very good, Shabnam. But where? Treat all non-cash or non-operating or adjust in working
Non-cash.
capital?
Non-cash.
Bacha,
No, ma'am.
non-operating.
Non-operating. sorry.
Yes, very good. अच्छा, tell me non-operating income है ये कि non-operating expense है?
Income है.
Very good. So अगर income है तो add होगा कि less होगा?
Less.
Less.
Wow, very beautiful answer. Every answer was very correct. Very good. So very good. Keep it up, Shabnam. Okay.
Thank you,
Now
ma'am.
it is, yeah, very good. Now you have to go to page number 2. That is statement number 2, operating activity. In that, come to non-operating wala item. Come to the next line, write down less profit on sale of investment because it is non-operating income. All incomes are to be deducted here. Less non-operating incomes. So less profit on sale of investment. How much is the profit? You will come to know from the ledger account.
500.
500, but in the bracket. 500 in the bracket. Please don't forget bracket wherever you are deducting. Okay, now last item, purchase. Purchase of investment goes where?
Investing activity.
Investing
Investing
activity.
activity. So how much is the amount?
18,000.
18,000.
Very good, very good. Go to investing activity and write down purchase of investment 18,000 bracket. Acha, why bracket? Why do we need to deduct?
Cash
Cash
goes
goes out.
Very good. Cash goes out. So write down less purchase of investments 18,000 bracket. Inner column. हो गया, investment is over. Investment adjustment is over. All the transactions are shown in the Excel sheet. I mean, in the cash flow statement. Sorry, cash flow statement. Okay. Next, provision for tax made during the year is 9,000. Provision for tax was made during the year 9,000. Now, provision is given, paid is not given. Provision is given. There are two possibilities of tax, no? Provision and paid. Just as you had in dividend. Dividend has two effects, paid and proposed. Tax has also two effects, paid and provision. So provision is given in the adjustment, but paid is not there. No problem. Balance sheet pe opening and closing balance is also given. So we will make a ledger account and we will close it. Whatever will be the balancing figure, it will be paid. Did you understand? Should I repeat once again?
Yes, ma'am.
Listen, provision of tax is given in the adjustment. Provision for tax made during the year was rupees 9,000. Tax has two things, provision and paid. Provision is already given, 9,000. Now paid is not given. No problem. In the balance sheet, provision of tax is given here. Opening balance and closing balance. Both are given. We will make a ledger account. We will show opening balance. We will show closing balance. We will also show this provision of tax which is given in the adjustment. As soon as we show this provision of tax, we will close the account. And as we will close the account, the balancing figure will appear. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So that very balancing figure will become my paid balance. Paid is not given, no? So it will appear as a balancing figure. Very simple, nothing tough. Come on, you have made ledger account, yes or no?
Yes.
Have you made a ledger account of provision of taxes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, provision of taxes means liability or asset?
Liability, ma'am.
Liabilities. So opening balance of liability has to be shown on which side?
Credit
Credit
side.
side.
Very good, beautiful, very good. One shot, very beautiful. चलो, क्योंकि आपने बोला क्रेडिट साइड इसका ओपनिंग बैलेंस दिखाना है, तो लिखिए बाय बैलेंस कैरिड डाउन. Buy balance carried down. How much is the opening? You will come to know from the question. How much is the opening balance?
75,000.
Very
1,000.
good. Write it. Buy balance carried down 75,000. And what is closing balance?
10,000.
10,000.
Come to the debit side. Leave 2-3 lines and then write closing balance, to balance brought down 10,000. Leave 2-3 lines and then write closing balance. हमेशा नीचे लिखने का. Closing balance has to be written in the last lines. To balance brought down 10,000. 2-3 lines ही लगेगी ऊपर मुझे. हो गया? Opening and closing balance is done with everyone.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, very good. Now what is the adjustment? Provision of tax is 9,000. Provision means it is not paid. It is just provision. Provision means P&L account में दिखाते हैं. आप P&L account बनाते थे, उधर दिखाते थे to provision for tax.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
हम पुराना P&L account बनाते थे, उधर डेबिट में लिखते थे to provision for tax. तो आप provision for tax में लिखेंगे by P&L. Simple. P&L के अकाउंट में हम लिखते थे to provision for tax. तो provision के tax, provision of tax में लिखेंगे by P&L. Very simple. लेजर अकाउंट में ऐसे ही होता है ना? लिखो.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
हाँ,
ma'am.
लिखो. जब भी प्रोविजन होता है ना तो बाय P&L दिखाने का. बिकॉज P&L अकाउंट में हम दिखाते हैं टू प्रोविजन, तो प्रोविजन में दिखाएंगे बाय P&L. वेरी सिंपल. Write down by P&L account bracket में given. Bracket में given. Now you will ask me a question, ma'am. ये bracket में क्या दिया हुआ है? TPCY. TPCY is tax provision for current year. जो नहीं नीचे एडजस्टमेंट में दिया हुआ है ना, वो करंट ईयर का प्रोविजन है. ड्यूरिंग द ईयर लिखा है ना, मतलब ड्यूरिंग द ईयर मतलब करंट ईयर. तो TPCY टैक्स प्रोविजन फॉर करंट ईयर विच इज गिवन. तो मैंने दो ब्रैकेट्स बनाई हैं. TPCY गिवन. कितना गिवन? एडजस्टमेंट में कितना गिवन?
9,000.
Very good. So provision is 9,000. By P&L 9,000. By P&L 9,000. Is there any other adjustment related to provision for taxes?
No, ma'am.
Therefore, can we close the account?
Yes, ma'am.
How? Which side is heavier?
Credit side.
Credit
Tell
side.
me the casting figure. Come on, tell me the casting figure. Casting means total. Total of the credit side is
84,000.
yes. Total of credit side is 84. This 84 has to be written on the debit side also. Bring it to the debit side, and 84,000 minus the closing balance 10,000.
10,000.
So what will be my balancing figure?
74,000.
Common sense. This provision for tax is my liability. This provision of tax is my liability. Liability का debit balance आया मतलब paid. Liability में debit balance आएगा मतलब cash गई ना. Cash गई मतलब to bank account. Paid. I told you na, provision is given in the question. Whatever balancing figure will come will be our paid balance. Yes or no? I told you earlier.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So provision is given, paid is balancing figure. If suppose paid is given, then provision will be balancing figure. Is the point clear?
Yes, ma'am.
If paid
Yes,
is
ma'am.
given, provision will be the balancing figure. If provision is given, paid will be the balancing figure. How simple, I mean how simple it is. इससे ज्यादा simple क्या हो सकता है? सिर्फ ओपनिंग बैलेंस दिखाइए, क्लोजिंग बैलेंस दिखाइए. एडजस्टमेंट में प्रोविजन दिया है तो बाय P&L दिखाइए. क्लोज कीजिए तो पेड बैलेंसिंग फिगर आ जाएगा. पेड मतलब कैश गई टू बैंक अकाउंट पेड. लिखो 74,000 आया बैलेंसिंग फिगर.
Yes, ma'am.
उसका टाइटल लिखिए, मतलब उसका हेडिंग लिखिए टू बैंक अकाउंट ब्रैकेट में पेड. अभी ओपनिंग एंड क्लोजिंग बैलेंस को भूल जाओ. फॉरगेट ओपनिंग एंड क्लोजिंग बैलेंस. Only two items are left. One is provision, one is paid. Only two effects will be shown in the cash flow statement. Any which ways, tax has only two effects, provision and paid. Only two effects will be shown related to tax and dividend. Tax, paid and provision, dividend, paid and proposed. Is the point clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let us show the first effect, which is provision. Where this provision of tax will go?
Non-operating.
Non-cash,
Non-cash.
non-cash. Okay, go to non-cash expense. Tell me, is it my income or expense?
Ma'am, expense.
Expense.
Expense. So added or less deducted?
Added.
Added.
Write down add provision for tax. In second statement, please note down second statement, treat non-cash items. In that I will write add provision for tax. 9,000 will be given in the ledger account. Just now you have made the ledger account. Okay, what is the next effect? What is the
Ma'am,
next
वो
effect?
लेस हो जाएगा टैक्स में से.
वेरी गुड. लेस टैक्स पेड. कहाँ से कहाँ करते हैं ये लेस टैक्स पेड? कहाँ करते हैं लेस टैक्स पेड? कहाँ करते हैं? किसी को याद है?
मैम जो ऑपरेटिंग
Adjust working capital.
के नीचे लास्ट में होता है. मतलब एक बात तो पक्की हो गई. One thing is you have to make sure, one thing is confirmed that tax हो चाहे provision हो चाहे paid हो, जाएगा ऑपरेटिंग एक्टिविटी में. चाहे टैक्स पेड हो चाहे टैक्स प्रोविजन हो, इट विल गो इन ऑपरेटिंग एक्टिविटी ओनली. प्रोविजन फॉर टैक्स जाएगा ऊपर नॉन कैश में और टैक्स पेड जाएगा नीचे लेस टैक्स पेड में. अच्छा, लेस क्यों कर रहे हैं? लेस टैक्स पेड को लेस क्यों कर रहे हैं? बिकॉज कैश गोज
taken it
Out.
out.
Come on, write down. Less tax paid आपने लिखा है, उसके outer column में जाइए, लिखिए 74,000 bracket. Outer column, please listen very carefully. Outer column, because it is only one amount related to less tax paid. Outer column 74,000 bracket. Done with this provision for tax ka ledger account.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Last adjustment, fixed asset. No, it's not last adjustment, sorry. Third adjustment. During the year, part of fixed asset costing rupees 10,000 was sold for rupees 12,000 and the profit was included in P&L account. I know that profit is anyways included in P&L account only, no? So he's just given an extra line. Okay. Tell me, what is the opening balance of fixed asset?
4 lakh.
What is the closing balance?
3,20,000.
Come on, come to, yes, very good. Come to the ledger account of fixed asset, write down opening balance. Where we have to show opening balance, debit side or credit side?
Debit side.
Because
Debit
it is an
side.
asset. Because it is an asset, so debit side. Write down to balance carried down bracket mein opening balance. 4 lakhs is my opening balance, which is given in the question. And 3,20,000 is my closing balance. So where we need to show closing balance?
Credit side.
Credit side, but leave 2-3
Credit
lines.
side.
At least 3-4 lines. Leave 3-4 lines and then write by balance brought down. By balance brought down. So 3,20,000 closing balance. 3,20,000 closing balance. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
What he says in the balance in the adjustment, fixed asset costing rupees 10,000 was sold for rupees 12,000. So what first entry has to be shown in the ledger account? Sold for 12,000.
Ma'am, sale ka.
Sale ka, very good. Sale ka. So what will I do? By bank account bracket sales. Whenever you sell, cash comes in. Cash comes in, matlab debit what comes in? Debit means buy. So by bank account bracket sales. How much is the amount? How much is the amount? Sales ka amount.
12,000.
Very good. So what was the cost of 12,000 fixed asset? What was the cost of fixed
10,000.
asset? 10,000. It was sold for 12,000, but cost was 10,000. So what is the
Profit
profit or loss?
Profit.
Profit 2,000.
Profit means where it has to be shown on the debit or
Debit side.
credit side?
Debit side.
Debit side. Write down to P&L account, profit on sale 2,000. To P&L account, profit on sale bracket 2,000. Close the account. Shall we close the account? Any other adjustment related to fixed asset?
No, ma'am.
No. Then close the account. Tell me which side is heavier?
Debit side.
Debit side.
Debit side is heavier. Debit side is heavier. So close the debit side, 4,02,000. This is my casting figure. Bring it to the credit side also. Now 4,02,000 minus 3,20,000 minus 12,000. What is my balancing figure? What is my balancing figure?
70,000.
70,000. Now 70,000. Please try to understand. Please try to understand fixed assets. Always remember, fixed assets are there means depreciation will always be there. Always. Whether it is told, whether it is untold. Whether they disclose, whether it is not disclosed. Depreciation always exists whenever we have fixed asset, tangible fixed asset. So now depreciation is given in the question. You tell me yes or no. Depreciation is given in the question.
No, ma'am.
See, it is not given in the question, but it will definitely be there. I know it will definitely be there. If fixed asset is there, depreciation will always be there. I know in the question they have not given. No problem. So whatever balancing figure will come, it will be depreciation only. It will be depreciation only. But yes, The balancing figure should come here on the credit side because it is by depreciation. It is never to depreciation. Why? Because depreciation is nominal account says debit all expenses and losses. Depreciation is my expense, bacha. Depreciation is my expense. Please try to understand. Non-cash expense. Therefore, it is to be debited. Debited means by nominal account says debit all expenses and losses. It can never be here to depreciation. Will it be here? If the balancing figure is coming here on the debit side, means it is purchase. I told you in the last lecture also, if the balancing figure comes here on the debit side of the fixed asset, means it is purchased. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
But if it comes on the credit side, it will be either sales or will be depreciation. Now sales is already given, so it will be depreciation only, no?
Ma'am.
So write
Yes,
down
ma'am.
by depreciation. Write down 70,000 by depreciation. 70,000 by depreciation. Very important. Very important. Okay. Now the account is closed. So leave the opening balance, leave the closing balance. How many transactions are there? Sales, depreciation, and profit on sale. 3 items. So come on, tell me. Sales of fixed assets. Which activity?
Investing activity.
Go in
Ma'am.
investing
Investing
activity. Very good. Write down sales of fixed assets, 12,000. Add or less?
Add.
Because cash comes in. Very good. So 12,000 is given here. Okay. So sales of fixed assets, 12,000 in the inner column. Add. Add. Now, depreciation. Tell me, what is the
Activity.
amount of depreciation?
Non-cash.
Non-cash.
70,000 non-cash. Very good. Good. Is it non-cash expense or income?
Ma'am, expense.
Expense.
Because it is an expense. So added or deducted?
Added.
Added.
Added. So add depreciation on
Add.
fixed assets, 70,000 inner column. 70,000 is the amount which we have got from ledger account only. So if you forget what was the amount, you have to go to check the ledger account. You will get 70,000 there. Add depreciation on fixed assets, 70,000. Inner column. Next, profit on sale of fixed asset.
Non-trade income.
Very good. Beautiful answer. Who gave me the answer?
Ma'am, Anu.
Anu. Very good. Bacha, very good. Profit on sale of fixed assets. Matlab non-operating income. Non-operating income. Where it goes?
Non-cash, non-trade.
Very good. Non-cash, non-trade. Means it is non-operating income. Tell me, incomes are added or deducted?
Ma'am, deducted.
Here. Yeah, here in this lot, incomes are to be deducted. So write down less profit on sale of fixed asset. What was the amount in the ledger account?
Bracket 2000.
Bracket 2000. Very good. So deducted, less profit on sale of fixed asset, 2000 in the bracket. 2000 in the bracket. Very good. Come on. Last adjustment now, final. Fourth adjustment. See, related to fixed asset, everything is done. Everything is done. Now let me quickly begin with the last adjustment. Dividend paid during the year is 40,000. If this is paid, what is proposed?
40,000.
40,000 only. 40,000 only. Okay. So tell me two effects. First is dividend paid. Where it will go? Dividend paid is which activity?
Financing activity.
Very good.
Financing
very good.
activity.
Very good. Very good. So go to financing activity, write down dividend paid. Okay, add or less?
Less.
Ma'am, less.
Why less? Why less?
Cash outflow.
Cash
Cash.
outflow. Cash outflow. Write down less dividend paid, 40,000. Ma'am, where 40,000 comes from? Adjustment number 4. 40,000 is given in the adjustment. I have not written, randomly. 40,000 is given in the adjustment. Look at my cursor. Okay, so less dividend paid 40,000 inner column bracket in the financing activity. Okay, this was dividend paid. What is dividend proposed?
Goes out. Non-cash, non-trade.
Very good, because it was cash outflow and therefore it was deducted in the financing activity. But what about proposed dividend?
Add
Where, add where?
40,000. Non-cash,
non-cash.
Non-cash.
Non-cash, very good. Go to non-cash because it is an expense, non-cash expense, therefore add. So add proposed dividend 40,000 inner column. Done. All other items are done. See, nothing is been left. Only bank account is left. Okay. So for that, we need to close the items. All the accounts we need to close. So start with operating activity. Come to page number 2. Start with this. This is 12,000. Leave it as it is. Net profit. Whatever you have in the inner column, first bring it to the outer column. So from 10,000 to 40,000, what is the total?
1,26,500.
Everybody has got 1,26,500. Yes or no?
non-trade. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So next, come to adjustment of working capital minus 34 plus 30 and minus 2,45,000. What is in the outer column? What is there in the outer column? Come on, quickly.
Bracket 2,49,000.
Very good. Bracket 2,49,000. Less tax paid. Less tax paid already 74,000 in the bracket. So outer column has how many amounts? 4. Take them all together. Now bring it in calci. 12,000 plus 1,26,000. Do it. 1,26,000 add. Less 2,49,000 and less 74,000. So what is net cash used or generated?
Bracket 1,84,500.
500.
Very good, very good. So bracket 1,84,500 means negative answer. So if it is negative, what is the title you will give here?
Net
Used.
cash used.
From net cash used from operating activity.
Operating.
Write down. Net cash used from operating activity. Take this same amount in sheet number 1. That means page number 1 in the main statement. Write down here net cash used from operating activity, outer column, bracket 1,84,500. Don't forget to put this bracket. Bracket 1,84,000. And no, I hope you have given the attendance link twice.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bacha. Thank you. Okay. Now investing activity. Come to investing activity. How many amounts are there in the inner column? 3. Add them all. 8,500 minus 18,000. Add 12,000. What is in the inner? What is the total of inner column?
2,500.
But bring it to the outer column, next new line. So 2,500 is positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive.
So what statement you will write for this 2,500?
Net cash generated from investing activity.
Wow, very beautiful answer. Very good. So net cash generated
Net
from
cash generated.
from investing activity. Very good, very good. How many amounts are there in the financing activity? 2. 2,70,000 minus 40,000. So what is there in the outer column? What is there in the outer column? Very good.
2,30,000.
So it is positive or negative?
Ma'am, positive.
Positive.
Very good. So what statement you will write for this in the particulars column?
Net cash
generated from financing activity.
Very good. Net cash generated from financing activity. Now, all the 3 items which are, sorry, all the 3 figures which are there in the outer column has to be added. Write down. 1,84,500, but give it minus ka sign because it is in bracket, no? So 1,84,500 minus का साइन जो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में प्लस माइनस का साइन है ना वो प्रेस करो तो 1,84,000 माइनस में आ रहा है, स्क्रीन पे दिखाई दे रहा है।
यस मैम।
उसमें ऐड करो 2,500 और उसमें ऐड करो 2,30,000. So what is your net increase or decrease in cash?
48,000
Positive, negative?
positive.
So what the statement you will use? What is the statement that you will use in the particulars column for 48,000?
Net
Heading.
increase in cash.
Net increase in cash.
Net increase in cash. उसके नीचे क्या लिखते हैं हम लोग?
Ma'am, add opening cash.
Very good. Opening cash balance. So look at the question and tell me what is the opening cash balance?
Ma'am,
Bank account. Very good. So we have only one thing, bank. No cash balance, no bank OD balance, no short-term investment. Only one thing, bank. If it is one thing, put it in the outer column only directly. So what is the opening balance of bank?
1,49,000.
1,49,000.
So come to the next line, write down bank balance 1,49,000 outer column. Add opening cash balance आपने लिखा, उसके नीचे
ma'am.
लिखेंगे बैंक बैलेंस. अब क्योंकि एक ही अमाउंट है ना, तो सीधा आउटर कॉलम 149.
Well, final answer is 1,97,000.
How did you get 1,97,000 बच्चा? कौन सी चीज में क्या ऐड किया वो भी बताओ सबको.
48,000
हाँ.
plus 1,49,000.
वेरी गुड. 48,000 आपका था नेट इंक्रीज इन कैश, उसमें आपने बैंक बैलेंस को ऐड किया तो आपको मिला 1,97,000. उसका टाइटल क्या लिखेंगे? क्लोजिंग कैश बैलेंस. एंड यू हैव टू चेक क्वेश्चन में क्लोजिंग कैश बैलेंस कितना है. कितना है?
1,97,000.
हो गया ना, देखो जादू हुआ ना. क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है, आंसर में भी 1,97,000 आया. तो मतलब आपको किसी से पूछने की जरूरत पड़ी कि मेरा आंसर राइट है कि रॉन्ग है?
No, ma'am.
किसी से पूछने की नीड नहीं पड़ेगी, बिकॉज इन द क्वेश्चन यू हैव योर आंसर. Is it clear now? 2 sums are done. We will do 3-4 sums more and then our chapter will be over. Easy लग रहा है अभी चैप्टर कॉन्सेप्ट समझने के बाद?
Yes, ma'am.
इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then I am more than happy. I am more than happy because you guys are understanding it. That's what I want. Okay? चलो. So आप जब तक अभी आपके पास ये है ना, ये 2 सम्स, इसमें से कोई भी एक सम आप प्रैक्टिस करिए फिर से घर पे खुद से, कोई भी एक सम. इज दैट ओके? प्रॉमिस मी आज के दिन पे आप दोनों में से कोई भी एक सम फिर से खुद से प्रैक्टिस करेंगे.
Yes, ma'am.
श्योर? अनु, रिया,
Yes,
ओके, वेरी गुड. स्वाति, और कौन प्रॉमिस कर रहा है? कम ऑन, बस 3 स्टूडेंट्स ने प्रॉमिस किया. दैट्स रियली अनफेयर. खान, इकरा, वेरी गुड. जया पुजारी, वेरी गुड.
Yes, ma'am.
साइली, महिमा, वेरी
यस मैम
गुड.
करेंगे.
शिवम भी, वाओ, वेरी गुड. और कौन? और यस, एटलीस्ट रेज हैंड कर दो, उसमें भी मुझे अच्छा लगेगा. वेरी गुड. वाओ, गौरी, साइली. चलो चलो, कम ऑन. अनु,
Yes, ma'am.
शबनम, प्रीति. वेरी गुड स्टूडेंट्स, आई एम रियली इम्प्रेस्ड. ओके, सो आप सब होमवर्क करने वाले हैं, एटलीस्ट दोनों में से एक सम खुद से करके देखने का. फिर देखो कितने पानी में हो, कितना समझ में आया, कितना नहीं समझ में आया. फिर नहीं आता है तो फिर से देखने का ना, जो मैम ने सिखाया. रिकॉर्डिंग ऑन करो, यूट्यूब पे डालूंगी मैं, डोंट वरी. मैं कोशिश करके आज सारे लेक्चर्स यूट्यूब पे डालती हूँ, ठीक है? जितने भी अभी तक हुए हैं. ओके?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट का होगा तो फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट के नाम से सर्च करना प्लेलिस्ट में, और डायरेक्ट टैक्स होगा तो डायरेक्ट टैक्स के नाम से. सॉरी, आप एफआरए की बात कर रही हूँ ना मैं, तो एफआरए होगा तो एफआरए का एक प्लेलिस्ट है, उसमें जाके देखना. और डेट के साथ मैंने डाला है, जैसे आज का 8 जुलाई 2021. सो आपको डेट के साथ जो दिखेगा ना, बस वो रिकॉर्डिंग ओपन कर लेना यूट्यूब पे. ठीक है? ढूंढना दिक्कत नहीं है क्योंकि मैंने डेट के साथ डाला है ना. ठीक है?
Yes,
ओके,
ma'am.
So can we wind up for today?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Bye, ma'am.
So meanwhile,
Bye,
take
ma'am.
care, stay safe. We will meet tomorrow again. Okay?
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye,
Bye, ma'am.
everybody. Take care.